Hola. Welcome to
Roma.
$70.
Yeah, I was like, I'm gonna try to figure it out myself.
I told my the one who rented me to extend it to May today.
No way.
Yeah, because I was like $200. I was like, yeah. So he said it was cool. He was like, he told me it was good. I told him today because there was someone
who was looking at it.
Yeah, it's coming. So I just blocked it straight away.
You know, it'd be really cool if you get like a camera.
Okay, now.
Behind the scenes of the photographer. Actually, behind the scenes of the photo shoot in Mexico.
On the right hand side. Hey man, just say, hey, we're here. Hey, no, we face. I'm down here, man. In a bit. Take care. No 10. Oh, we had that on the first day. That was the guy I was coming. The guy we landed with Damien, he's already gone back, and he said, we gotta get tacos. I said, let's go. We didn't waste time. We just went, we found it, we did a buffet. Yeah, that's it. Hey. You know what I mean? That's like, that's the first thing you have to do, but there's still time.
Yeah, it's a good time.
We still have faith. Yeah. So downtown, it was because I was meant to go downtown yesterday, but I didn't know the way yesterday turned out. I didn't even know, so I was tired. But yesterday was fun though.
Amazing.
So, yeah.
Amazingly unexpected.
Yes. Those are the best moments, when it just happens like that, So I'm gonna try go downtown possibly next. I don't know if I'll go during the week. No, I'm not going to say. I'm going. Hey, Christine, I know I'm going in the in balloon. That's it. But yeah, no, side. No, this is completely new. Do it again. It's the man. That was better. Yeah? We are in Rose.
Exactly, Rose.
You see, you have to put it into the sky. I need to
go back to Canada and people are gonna be like, what are you doing?
It'll be like the first day when I came in here and I was like, hable English? No bueno, no bueno. Get out of my store. This one's really nice, yeah. Jardin Dini. Let me pronounce this. Yeah. Let me correct me if I'm saying this right. It's Jardin de Niños Vito Alessio Robles. Robles.
You got the Italian Vito Alessio.
Yeah, that was my ex-girlfriend. This would be here, man. We support the home team. Oh, the one behind? How are we gonna get inside there?
There's 3 of them.
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
Really? you gave me the boost on this one. I need like a triple boost, like I need to jump 1, 2. Yes. I'll find a way. I mean, all we need is a ladder. A really big. Yeah.
The one that we drove past some really nice ones.
Okay. Oh, doggy. You get 360. Wait. See? It's Michelangelo? It is, isn't it? I don't know. I don't want to get blocked on YouTube. Putting like, okay.
Have we been able to minimize all the little ticks that we didn't even know we had?
Alright.
Like saying like a lot.
Like, always. You have to say that. I say in my videos like the start, the middle, before the end, and right at the end again, you know. So because some people don't even tune into the whole like video, they'll pick specific parts they really like. So it's very important in them bits. You can just say, yeah, you know, remember to like, you know, follow me on Instagram, share the videos, you know.
Oh no, that's smart. We only do that at the end. I'm saying we just say like in every question.
In everything,
So
okay.
we'll say like the way he said like, yeah, so we had to.
Oh right, like that. So you just have to put those ones out. Alright,
Every time we said, that was so.
That was it. That. Alright. Wait.
That was a piano for sure.
Is it? What there? Yeah. Nice. Nativo. Ooh. Aye. Aye. What's Sunday without the church, right? Right. All that.
Is that Jason?
Jason?
The guy that did Aqua?
Jason Mama Mi. I'm sorry, lo siento. Jason Momoa. Yeah, sure. Still on video. It's the perfect setting for the grocery.
Right in front of the church.
In the church. Oh, I don't want to get spiritual now. What, in front of the church? Yeah, I think it would be better. Yeah, it wouldn't mesh well. I'm gonna get it here, yeah. I'm gonna get it here, yeah. All right, go. This is looking good. That's it, Janice. You're natural.
Un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo,
Yeah, yeah. It's nice. Yes. Hermoso, hermoso. ¿Es bien? Ay. Yeah, yeah, I got all of that inside, yeah. Yay! Gracias, Higa, yeah. Woo.
Come step down.
No problem.
Tell me so I can.
It's rolling, it's rolling, it's rolling.
I want the one to step down. Can you tell him to step down?
Yeah, yeah,
And then you want them to start coming down?
yeah. Alright, cool, yeah. It's rolling, I can always cut it.
Oh, wait till they tell us.
We meet again.
We're trying to shoot a photo.
Trying to get a breeze in there. Alright guys, I need a bit. Hasta luego. Hey. This is great. It's so much content today, man. Already. Ay. Move. They were like, Americano,
Like that?
they're like that. Yeah, I was instigated. I was like, Americano. Yeah.
When I was 15, I asked my mom. She was like, what do you want? I was like, I don't want to do this. I want to come closer. I didn't want, I was not wearing a mask. I felt like it was rude to me.
Yeah, no, and this is how it is. It's like those times you get eased. That's when you could. You never know. You never know. You
And they
know.
were very respectful with their mask on.
Yeah.
They didn't want to
I can get it.
Back home, that's $5.
Yeah. My is 600 in Canada. Yeah.
You guys want to turn? Are you like?
I don't know if there's that much down. You've never been down this lane before. Continue straight up. Yes, no problem.
Have you ever been down there? Oh, we were down there.
Been down.
This is where I plant. I think this is that's the
Okay, so yeah, we could head straight there. This is all good. I'm just.
the archangel. Oh, good.
Oh, there's a yes. Oh,
always
definitely.
been there?
Yeah, no. It's like my. I passed Roma so much times on the Uber when I'm coming back from downtown, but never come off. Here, yeah.
Did I look scared for my life?
No. Thank you very much for watching this travel video courtesy of Richie Rich. Make sure to click that like button. Always remember to subscribe and share the videos because we need to recruit more members of the Rich team. Take it easy, guys, and always remember that she came to